Today's video is all about lasers. Today is this puppy right here. So Banggood.com sent me this 2.5 watt laser as a kit. So I'm gonna move this laptop. I'm just gonna grab it, guys. So Banggood sent me this 2.5 watt laser. Get around that chair. There's the laser right there. I really like the design. The only downside is that it's not a fully enclosed system. So here soon actually, my plan is to create something. As you've noticed, these are the 2020, these are 2040 aluminum rods. The belt system, they have like dead ends right here that run under here, go under the wheel, go over the timing belt right here, and the gear goes back under this belt, back to this dead end, and it works for both sides, and same for the laser itself. I've already engraved a piece of wood with the anonymous guy right here. Thought that looked pretty cool. Might cut him out or something. It was just the first test print that was already inside of the software. I'll show you the software later. Not too fond of it, but it's okay. You cannot run this laser engraver on a Macintosh. If you do try to run it on a Macintosh, then you're gonna have a bad time. Because one, whenever you download it, it's in a .exe file, so not a DMG file where you can run it on a Mac. Hopefully they can fix that here soon, because that's actually really annoying for me. So I went and found an Asus laptop. At the time, didn't use any internet. I could not even connect to my internet. So I fixed that. Connects to the internet, so I'm gonna start using this for more things now on, since Windows is kind of a more well known for programs and such. Here's the actual laser. I'll turn it on here soon for you guys. This is the switch to turn on and off the laser. So whenever you push this in, it will put a regular low-level laser, I believe, at 1% of what it can max out on. So of 1000%, it's at 1. So it says avoid eye or skin exposure to direct radiation away from children. It's a IV class, so I believe it's a class 5 or 6. No, yeah, that's 6. Class 6 laser. This is metal down here, by the way. This is also metal. It's like a big heatsink fan control board. So, yeah. I decided that for the enclosure that I'm going to make, haven't made it yet. I'm probably gonna go buy the parts and put it into this video. But this is I believe it's 2 feet from here to here. No, Yeah, I can't remember, but I believe it's like 30 inches by 40 inches. So I'm gonna get a big tub to put around it to conceal it. Poke a hole through it, run a dryer vent out to my window, and use fans to suck out the bad toxins in the air. The 3D printer over here is still broken. New parts from Banggood on the way to fix it, but usually the smells, they're not that bad. When I was making this laser engraver, you could literally see the smoke come out of the wood and out of my window using 1, 2, 3 fans. So I had that fan in the window, that fan pushing out to the window, and the fan over there pushing the smoke to that fan. So it was a pretty good system. Didn't smoke up too bad, but it did make my room smell like a fire for a day or so. So one thing I really liked about this, guys, is this. Okay, while making this, they gave you little basically cubbies for everything. So I used most of everything. There is some spare parts, but this way I did not lose anything and I knew where everything was. So thank you, Banggood. Keep doing this, and other kit manufacturers, take note. Going to take this cover off of it so you guys can see the board, and yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so I took out the 4 needed screws right there, and I'm gonna take that off. This is the Mana C-Say. I have that right there. Links to the actual product in the description, guys. This is the product. Right now it's $200. Originally $335. Alright guys, I think there's just one more thing that we can do for today, at least, until I get the enclosure so I can safely engrave in my room and show you guys this engraving. Is to turn it on and show you guys the software. So just gonna turn this on, and as you can see, I have the laser on, so you can see it right there on my finger. The laser should be on, just the leak is on. So let's see what happens whenever, okay. I'm going to say settings, or config, settings. Try to get this laser to come on. There it goes. It's burning. See there, just going to turn it off, turn this off. As you can see, it generates quite a lot of smoke. So that's why I want to get the thing that makes sure that none of the smoke, or very little of the smoke, comes in. And you can see the market left right there. So yeah. Alright guys, I think that's it for today. Until I get the enclosure. I'll probably just make a separate video for the enclosure. And a separate video for the unboxing. So if you guys are curious about any of that, make sure you subscribe and come back for more. Yeah. See you guys next time.